Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get leather in 7 days to die. So this is going to be especially useful for crafting things like some tools or armor and clothing. So to find it, first of all you want to go to a forest area or literally anywhere and find an animal like a boar and use a bone knife or other kind of knife to extract the boar, the animal. And as you can see, it is going to give you some leather. Also, there's another option to get leather, which is, for me, a better option, is to go to any building and find these office chairs. When you pick them up and go into your inventory and go ahead and scrap them, you can see you'll get 6 leather from one office chair. So make sure you pick them up. This is the easiest method to get leather, get many leathers, and this is pretty much all how to get it. So make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.